nature walk.
Hey Jess.
Hey.
Do you have any words for the vlog?
I'm about to get a corn dog.
Nice. Hey guys. I hate vlogging in public, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Food truck Fridays. Park kind of far.
A little bit.
So we're walking.
What do you mean bullshit?
Do you have any words for the vlog?
I'm gonna get my mark, and I'm excited.
Yay. Trey, do you have any words for the vlog?
Not particularly. This is the first good idea he's had in probably years.
Cat. Such cat.
Why did you say so? Jesus. Say something to the vlog. She's been telling all
We're
this
here
shit.
for.
Hi vlog, I'm here getting a poke bowl and it's gonna be delicious.
It's not, because fucking poke is
Yummy.
not yummy.
That guy's feeling.
Oh yeah, baby. Hello
What's your
vlog,
name
this
and
is
what did
Henry
you get?
Utek. I'm a junior. No, I'm gonna be a senior. Holy this is a poke bowl.
What's in it?
I don't know, like tuna.
Oh, nice. Yummy. From here.
Very nice.
What's your name and what did you get?
I got a tuna poke bowl and my name is Smitty.
Yummy. What's your name and what did you get?
My name is Hayden. I got some pulled pork nachos.
Yummy.
I got jalapeno, sour cream, some salsa too.
Yum.
There might be barbecue sauce, IDK, TBH, but
Yummy.
we're about to go.
What did you get?
Garrett, this is Honey.
Hi, honey.
The Honey Cam. What's up? Hi, Honey.
I got
What did
pulled
you
pork
get?
sandwich and some
Oh,
cornbread.
yummy.
Shit snacks.
Vibes. I like the hydro. So I'm Jasmine. You guys know me. I got barbecue nachos, but I got it with chicken instead of pork. Jess?
Pulled pork nachos.
Yummy. They also got margaritas.
Yeah, Mars.
What's your name? What did you get?
My name is Trey, and you know, you can point to the sign if you want to see what it is. It's
the Get Down Sammy.
Yummy.
But yeah, it's gonna be great.
That's a cheers.
It was a successful food truck Friday, my first one of the summer. You know, summer's about to end, so I'm kind of sad, but I'm glad I came. I had a great time, had some really good food. But yeah, having a great time.